Hello everyone! Today we are going to introduce IC extractor. The IC extractor is an anti-static insulated integrated circuit extractor, which can quickly separate the electronic components from the circuit board. It is made of stainless steel and PVC materials that have been heat-treated to remain elastic and not easily deformed. This IC extractor can easily take out these electronic components with a diameter of less than 5.5 cm from the PCB board without damaging them at all. Let me show you the difference between ordinary tweezers and IC extractors. This is an ordinary tweezers, and you can see it cannot hold the component. It is IC extractor. It can easily and firmly clamp the components. Okay, you can see that the IC extractor makes it easier for you to operate. Thank you for your trust and support.